We're now dealing with the problem that we need to determine whether the given triangle is a right angle triangle or not. So we first read the three sides of a triangle here using input, and the three sides, they are all integers. And next we're going to determine if it is a right angle triangle. We know that one of the properties of a right angle triangle is that the sum of the squares of the two legs is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. So we're going to use this property to determine whether it is a right angle triangle. And we list out all three situations here, which is C being the hypotenuse, and B being the hypotenuse, and A being the hypotenuse. If these three expressions, one of these three expressions is true, then it is a right angle triangle. And if else, where it's not a right angle triangle, and we're going to print false. If it is true, we're going to print true. This is the basic program using if-else statement. And let's have a try. Let's try 3, 4, and 5. And obviously it's a right angle triangle, and our program successfully returns true. And let's try 1, 2, 3, which is not a right angle triangle, and it returns false. Okay, so this basic program does its work, and probably we can try something else. Okay, so we're going to use this expression here. Since each one of the three expression is returns a Boolean value, and we know a Boolean value is either true or false, so we can just print the outcome of this three expressions of this expression, and we're going to get an output which is either true, well, either this statement is true or false. So let's have a try. We're going to use the same case here, 3, 4, and 5, and it returns true. And let's try 1, 2, 3 again. 1, 2, 3, and it returns false. And like we can do more case to verify if it is true, like yeah, and that's a right angle triangle. And yep, you can verify it several times to see if it is true. This expression does not use the if and else statement, and it's more brief, and yeah, it just do the same work here. I think it's better. So that's all. Thank you.